Hey guys, it's me Abhishek Gupta from Technical Tech, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install Ubuntu in VMware Workstation 12. So for creating a new virtual machine, just click on this option called create a new virtual machine. Once you click here, you will get this option. Now in this, it will ask for two options called typical or custom. So I'm just selecting custom and click on next. Once you click on next, you will get these options. So keep these options by default only. I'm again clicking on next. Now once you click on next, it will ask for three options like how you want to install the application, from which media you want to install the application. So here you can see the first option, it's saying it's the CD drive, means if you are having a DVD or CD, you can install it by that. Second option here you are able to say is install disk image file. If you are having an ISO image file, you can click on this option. Or I will install the operating system later, means just if you want to create a settings only, and if you want to install this operating system after creating the setting, you can select this third option. I'm having the image, so I'm selecting the second option, installer disk image file. So just click on browse to browse the file and select the ISO file of the OS. Here you see Ubuntu 16.04 and just click on next. Once you click on next, it will ask for your name and password for the account. Just type the name as you want. So I'm typing the full name as Ubuntu 16.04 and my name, and yeah, the password, and click on next. Here you see it's asking for the location where you want to save your virtual machine. So here you can see it is in C drive, so I will be keep it by default only. If you want to change, you can change this. So I'm just clicking on next. Here you can see once you click next, it will ask for processor. So I'm just selecting here, you can see number of processor 1 and the number of core per processor. So I'm just selecting it 2 and click on next. Here you can see it's asking for memory. It is the size of available RAM which you want to set for this virtual machine. Here you can see 1024, means it's 1 GB. If you want to increase, you can make it 2048, that is equal to 2 GB. So 1 GB is more than enough. So I'm just keeping it only 1 GB and click on next. Here again you see it will ask for network connection. So I'm just clicking on use host connection network only and click on next. Let this option by default. I'm clicking in next. Here you see it will ask for three different options, IDE, SCSI and SATA. So I'm just again keeping it by default only and clicking on next. Here you can see these are the three different options available here. Create a new virtual machine, use an existing virtual disk, and at last use a physical disk. I'm creating a new virtual machine, so I'm selecting the first option and click on next. Here you see once you click the next, it is asking for the option, means how many amount of hard drive you want to set for this virtual machine. So just I'm installing this virtual machine for practicing purpose and for showing you the tutorial. So I'm just keeping it by default as a 20. If you want to increase, you can increase as your wish. And at the bottom you can see there is two options, store virtual disk as a single file or split virtual disk into multiple files. So I want to store all the virtual files in a single folder or a single file, so I'm selecting this option, store virtual disk as a single file, and click on next. That's all. If you want to customize the hardware, if you want to make any changes to the hardware which you have already made, you can select customize hardware. If you don't want, just click on finish. So this is all. I have already set my hardware setting for this virtual machine. Once you click on finish, your virtual machine is going to start. Here you can see it is detecting your operating system file, and yeah, it's successfully detected, and you can see the installation process is already started, and it will take around 15 to 20 minutes to complete this installation process. It will install all the required files and all the required applications, and here you can see the installation process is completed and it's asking for your password. So here you type your password which you have already set while creating this account. Here's my password and just clicking this arrow mark, and yeah, here we go. Here you can see guys, this virtual machine is successfully installed. I have successfully installed the Ubuntu in VMware Workstation 12. So this is all about how to install Ubuntu in VMware Workstation. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for latest update. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.